Hello guys, welcome to Lee Hub, my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to get notified whenever a new video is dropped on the channel. Basically, we talk about cryptocurrency, NFTs, forex trading, and some other legitimate online financial investment platform to keep you on a go on daily basis. So without wasting much of our time, let's get down to business. In our video of the day, I'll be teaching you how to connect your Metamask account to the NFT platform. Well, we all know, although not everybody know how to use Metamask app to mint his or her NFT. But on this video, I'll be teaching you how to mint your NFTs with Metamask app. So you click on this icon on the left top corner of the screen. When you click it, you click on the browser option. By the time you click on the browser option, this page will display. You click on the search or type URL option. When you click on it, you type mintable. You type mintable.app. By the time you type mintable.app, you search on it. When you click on search, it will load. When it finishes loading, something of this nature will come out. Just follow the step one after the other. Something of this nature will come out. So when you are done clicking it and these options come out, you click on the mint option. By the time you click on the mint option, this page will open up. Well, in this page we have gasless or traditional minting. In the gasless option, you see it's written in bracket, no transaction needed. Yes, in this gasless option, when you are minting your NFT, there will be no transaction fee. Anything you are doing in this gasless option is free. And the second option is traditional transaction, which means transaction needed. When you are about to mint your NFT on this traditional transaction, you must pay a token before your NFT get minted. So for those who don't have the fees to pay on this platform, I advise you go for the gasless transaction. But if you can also go for the traditional transaction, it's also advised you go for it. But for those who don't have the capital, the fees to go for the traditional transaction, you go for the gasless transaction. So when you're done, you click on the gasless transaction, you proceed to mint. When you proceed to mint, you hold on for a while, so the page will load. You can see how people are selling and buying their mintable NFTs. They are selling NFTs. So when the page is fully opened, something of this nature will pop up, and when it pop-ups on this first icon, you tap on this icon. When you type on it, you see that there's the option that will make you to add up any of your NFTs that you want to mint. So I have an NFT to mint here, so I'm just teaching you how to go about it. I'll click on this for now. So when you click on it, make sure it is not a copyright. Whenever you want to mint an NFT, make sure it is not someone's work you are selling, because when it is someone's work, this particular site will reject it and you won't be able to mint it. So when you are done pasting a picture or anything. It could be an image, it could be a video, it could be a GIF, it could be a music file, anything at all that is mintable. Once you've uploaded it, you go down and you can see item description. You can just write a, a pencil portrait of Nipsey Hussle. Nipsey Hussle. Title. The title, you can just write Nipsey Hussle. Nipsey Hussle. Subtitle, you can write drawing. Category, you tap the art. Under the category, you go for the art because it's an artwork. You go for it. Subcategory, you go for in the subcategory, you go for drawing. If type of sale is either you fix a price on it or you auction the price. So I'll be going for auctioning, or just say for those who wants to leave the artwork on the platform for a long time, you just put it on a fixed price. So when you put it on a fixed price, you just in this column, in this space, you write the amount, buy now price. Yes, here is the price you would want to sell your artwork. Well, let me just give you mine. I want to sell mine at the rate of 0.28. The actual amount in dollars is $571.52. You click on the transfer copyright. When purchased, you list the items. When you list the items, something like this will pop up: transaction alert. You are about to send one transaction to the blockchain. Just sign a message in your wallet to mint and list these items. You click on the proceed. When you click on the proceed, sign the message. Something like this will pop up and you tap on the sign icon. When you tap on it, something like this will pop up and it will show congratulations. Share it on social media to increase your chances of selling it. So guys, this is a very short and very easy way of selling or connecting or minting your artwork on Metamask. It is the only way and the only platform in which you could sell your NFTs freely without paying a dime on Metamask. So guys, follow up this channel for more updates on how to mint and sell your NFTs. Subscribe and share with your families and friends. Thank you for your time. That will be all for now, guys.